Hello and welcome to Play to Grow Happy, the new show to promote and talk about playing in childhood. I am your host, Virginia Tamarasanovic, psychomotor therapist and child life specialist. And today we are going to talk about why play is the key to a happy and healthy development. We'll discuss the ins and outs of play in childhood and offer listeners a special surprise at the end. So be sure to listen all the way through for the details. Okay, let's go to play. What do you think when you hear the word play? Maybe you remember your childhood, the things you did, your toys, or even more your experiences and with who you used to play. My most loved memories are the time I spent playing with my siblings and parents. I don't remember how or what toy I had, but I do remember dancing, cooking with mom, biking with my brothers, building treehouse, playing with my dad, or he being my patient at my hospital or my student in my school. I have wonderful memories of playing with my parents and siblings, and now I am trying to make similar memories with my kids. Francesco Tonucci is an education specialist who said, all the most important learnings in life are done by playing, and we could add by playing in the early childhood. It is interesting because during the early years of life, the architecture of the brain goes through rapid transformations. After all, it creates many new neural connections every second. The National Scientific Council on the Developing Child explained, early experiences create a foundation for lifelong learning behavior and both physical and mental health. So a strong foundation in the early years increases the probability of positive outcomes, and a weak foundation increases the odds of later difficulties. To play is a relevant factor that contributes to those early experiences of healthy development. Play is essential to the social, emotional, cognitive, and physical well-being of children beginning in early childhood. It allows children to develop creativity and imagination while developing physical, cognitive, and emotional strength. To play is the key in children's development because while children play and interact with a loved one, the brains create those new neural connections. Because this significant play, especially with mom or dad, gives a safe feeling that is the foundation of healthy development. Because by playing, children explore, learn, and understand their environment. Also, because play is the foundation of all learnings and abilities for the whole life. In a supportive environment, by play, children identify, express, and manage their emotions. To play may prepare the ground for producing subtle and nascent responses to novel and unpredictable environments, maintaining resilience and the ability to deal with troubles. However, despite play strengthening healthy brain development and it is a natural fact for children, sometimes it could be hampered. According to Lester and Russell, children's ability to find time and space for play is affected by a range of social, cultural, economic, and political factors. These include gender, socioeconomic status, and disability. Therefore, people who are responsible for childhood must be attentive to these signals to ensure optimal conditions where child play can take place. Modernity brings progress to families but also less time together. Currently in Argentina, data shows that 50% of parents work from home with kids. Despite this, parents don't have enough time to play with kids. Of all the environmental factors that significantly influence development in the first years of the child's life, there is one that should be considered an essential condition in the immunization process. This factor is love. Playing with kids is the best way to demonstrate and make them feel our love for them. But as parents, siblings, great parents, we are not alone in this path. Play to Grow Happy campaigns help parents or families how to organize and dedicate efficient and significant moments to play with them. This program is looking for 2023 that all children of Argentina under 5 spend quality time playing with their parents or significant adults. Healthcare professionals can listen to families' feelings and concerns, provide trainings, talks, workshops to teach about the importance of playing and healthy early childhood development, and also government health officials build childhood development centers and guarantee the creation of public health policies to protect the children's right to play. So, to work for it, we have a surprise now. Since November, will be available different free activities, trainings, talk on social media, TV, childhood centers, parks, to aware parents and families about playing with their children under 5 years old. A free app will be available so parents seek such suggestions and ideas on what they can do with their children. From games that take 50 minutes with few materials or simple toys, to places where they could visit to spend meaningful time together. To have a healthy adulthood, we need children who play. So, if you dedicate 30 minutes per day to playing with your children, then you will guarantee a healthy and happy childhood development. Will you do it? If you want to know more, please visit www.playtogrowhappy.com. Thanks for listening. Participate in these activities and share your experience with us. We can help each other. Click on the link in the show notes to record your comments in a voicemail and also ask questions for a future episode of podcasting question and answers. Thanks. See you.